Somewhere between work and life's everyday demands lies a place where you are encouraged to just let it all go. Where you can forget those crazy schedules and packed agendas and enjoy the freedom of just seeing where the day takes you. Where time spent commuting is replaced with time spent on the ones you love. Free to disconnect from stress and obligations and reconnect with yourself and the people that matter. Free to cast your worries aside. Free to follow the leader. Free to gain a new perspective. Free to see where the path leads you. Free to treasure this moment. Yellowstone Teton Territory, free to just be.